16 minus 1 gives us 15. And here inside this parenthesis we have 6 minus 1, which gives us 5. So 15 times 5 gives us 75. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and one parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, we have one subtraction. According to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this multiplication or this parenthesis, it is wrong. So first this parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis we have 6 minus 1, which gives us 5. So we have 16 minus 1 times 5. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. Okay, so here first we have to do this multiplication. 1 times 5 gives us just 5. So we have 16 minus 5, which equals 11. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 11.